Guys, okay, we're here. Had a quick of a detour, but we're back. I'm at a park right now. I got food. I'm a little bit hungry. Got a Red Bull, sugar-free Red Bull. If you ever watch this, please sponsor me. Appreciate it. I would love it. But I'm just gonna eat really quick, and then we're gonna go on a hiking trail, and we'll see what kind of pictures I can find. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but here we are. We're at a park. Have my camera right here. Shoot on Fujifilm. I have the X-H1 little wrist wrap, which is very helpful. It is a little bit windy, so give them that. So if you guys can't hear me, I am very sorry. But today, I just want to take some pictures, see how everything's going, get used to photography a little bit more. I want to do a little bit better. See all the different stuff. Enjoy nature. It's a nice day out. November 15th, I think. Shouldn't be this warm, if I'm being honest. Nature shots really quick. You guys probably can't see it. I do only have a 35mm lens. I did order a new one from FPV, where I traded it in. So that should be coming in soon. Once we do that, or once that does come in, we can do an unboxing for that. A little bit excited for it, but I'm just trying to figure out how to do everything now. Okay, so here's my camera. Not sure if you guys can see it. I do have a tilt lens. So what's nice about this is I can take this and just tilt it, get more different viewings. And it's supposed to cause like distortion. It's supposed to, if you're higher up in the building, for example, everything like on the bottom is supposed to look like toys, miniatures, something like that. So it's really neat. I did buy it, so we are testing it out. I'm shooting on Fujifilm. It is one of my dream cameras. I do want to upgrade, but I did just want to get one to get into the market. So I got the X-H1, which is pretty nice. I like it so far. I have my different presets already. I was some black and white photos. Do single points. Okay. It's nice. It has a tilt screen. Do lower, upper, also like angle. I was supposed to come out here earlier, but had a quick rain. Had to do a quick rain check on it. Mom called me saying that she had something to be delivered, so I had to go pick it up. I'm gonna take it back and then run back to the house again. Do daily, really quick. All right, let me get the houses. Alright, I found this little spot. Seems neat. Maybe. See, this is why I wish I had a zoom lens right now. So, let me tell you guys a little bit about myself. I know in my last video, I did say that I am like some sort of introverted. I would say I am, but not an extreme introvert. Like I still enjoy doing stuff, going out, but with my group of people. Now, if you were to tell me to go by myself, it's a whole different question. Like right now, I'm by myself, I'm scared. I had to get accustomed to it. But continuing on, I do like to do a bunch of different small activities. Photography is one of them. I do like playing music, so I am in a band, play in a Mexican band, the clarinet, as well as the accordion. I can also play the bass and all of the saxophones in the saxophone family. Other than that, I like to play sports. Soccer pretty much is my main one. I watch baseball, don't really play it. Football, not a big fan. Basketball, I'll watch it. Now, about this single spot right here. A little bit lower. Now let me try that angle distortion. Single it out. Wonderful. Oh, all of these are bright. Yeah. Let me get rid of. Let me try this again. 25, live in a small town. Work a typical 9 to 5, but would like to do content creation full time. I know everyone says that, but it's actually taking the steps to do it, which is why I'm vlogging. I do live stream on Twitch as well, but I want to keep my accounts separated because on my Twitch I don't show my face. So if you guys recognize my voice, you guys can put 2 and 2 together. But continuing on this hike, there's really nothing that I'm just trying to figure out, like, what to take pictures of. What is grabbing my attention? So we do have an open field over there. I parked directly over there in that direction. Back to a little bit about photography. I still don't know what I'm doing the majority of the time. I would say I am an auto victim. I run everything in auto. I just heard something, guys. Let's go investigate, shall we? Kinda scared. I am pretty much running everything on ISO, or not ISO, on auto. Or I am a aperture priority type of guy. Now with that, I am trying to learn the triangle of the ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. But it's just hard, man. I need to go out and practice more, which is why I'm doing this right now. Alright, but guys, I think we're calling it a night, calling it a day. Did some couple shoots, just wanted to explore a little bit. We'll probably drive around town, see what else we can find. But I don't know, nothing's really been piquing my interest. So for the plans later today, I think I'm putting up the Christmas tree. I have to see what my family wants to do. But if we do that, I'll be sure to record that so you guys can get an insight on that. See how it is, see how it looks. But this is just a normal Saturday for me. Just relaxing, staying in, pretty much doing nothing. Let me give you guys a boost. Can you guys see it? It's okay. I'll figure it out once I edit. Guys, I am out of shape. Let me tell you that. I'm finally back to my car from the hike. I'm out of breath.